you with regard to our employability of our graduates, some programs for our physical facilities, which is a requirement for universityhood, and we will solicit the assistance of our good alumni to help out carrying the task for this. As a matter of fact, we need some 560 million pesos for universityhood, which is a requirement for our laboratories. And I think we need to source out from different agencies, different graduates, in order for us to work together so that we'll have to attain the common goal of this institution, the full university status. And I think the good alumni of this institution is very, very good to be a partner for progress and development. Thank you, sir.
This time you will hear the question coming from the representative of the parents.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning po.
In the future, kung sakali kayo na po maging Pangulo ng MSC, makakaasa po ba kaming mga magulang na kami po ay madaling makakalapit sa inyo upang makipag-usap regarding sa mga concerns ng mga bata? Salamat.
Nakalagay din po sa ating agenda, nandito po, that our stakeholder shall meet at least once a month or quarterly basis to address once and for all. Dapat po palakasin natin ang ating Parent-Teacher Association, alamin po ang suliranin ng bawat mga mag-aaral at magbigay ng ulat sa mga magulang kung ano ang nangyayaring progresibo ng pag-angat ng antas ng bawat estudyante. Lalo na po kinakailangan natin palakasin sapagkat ang pandemiko ay nandyan, katulong kay mga magulang, baka po pupunta sila sa pag-MF, kailangan po ang inyo ding supervision upang sa ganon ay mapaangat ang kamalayan nila na tuloy-tuloy po mag-aral na may kwalidad para mapaangat ang antas ng kabuhayan ng inyong mga magulang. Because we are now outcome-based. Outcome-based meaning, tinitingnan natin hindi lamang po ang makagraduate sila at mag-asawa at iwanan kayo, kundi makatulong muna sa pamilya upang paangatin ang kanilang kabuhayan dito sa lalawigan po ang Office of the President. Salamat po.
And finally,